guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel Flow Amazing. I hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing. ये जो आवाज की लगी पड़ी है ना, that is because क्या करें यार, बारिश है. I can't stop myself going out in the rains. Especially मुझे पता है रेनी सीजन इज पूरे 4 महीने बारिश होने वाली है. बट आई जस्ट कांट स्टॉप माई सेल्फ. अगर मैं घर पे हूँ तो मैं घर से एंजॉय करती हूँ, लाइक घर के अंदर रह के. पर अगर मैं घर पे नहीं हूँ, अगर मैं बाहर हूँ और बारिश आ रही है, तो मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल थिंक कि हम इधर बैठ के वेट कर लेते हैं, बारिश कम हो जाएगी तो फिर हम चले जाएंगे. बट आई एम काइंड ऑफ पर्सन, अगर बारिश आती है तो इवन इफ आई एम कैरिंग रेनकोट, आई डोंट स्टॉप टू wear the raincoat. I'm like, yeah, I just like to enjoy the barish. However, we have to suffer the consequences. जैसे कि अभी हो रहा है, थोड़ा सा आवाज खराब सी हो गई है, थोड़ा सा ऑलवेज मैं डिसाइड करती हूँ कि यार मैं डेली व्लॉगिंग बंद कर दूंगी. आई विल नॉट डू डेली व्लॉगिंग, क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीजें होती है. एक तो सिंस इट वाज लॉकडाउन एंड इट्स लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई एम स्टेइंग होम, आई एम नॉट गोइंग आउट बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली वी हैव टू be safe and we have to play safe. Unless there's a lot of work and lot of emergency work, I'm not going out. Stating this fact, घर पे यार ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है कि मैं उसका कंटेंट बना के तुमको रोज दूं और एंटरटेन रखूं. सो आई हैव लाइक थिंकिंग ऑन एंड ऑफ डूइंग डेली व्लॉगिंग. आई वाज वेरी स्केप्टिकल, पर ऐसा कुछ हो जाता है इन मैटर ऑफ टाइम कि यू ब्यूटिफुल पीपल समटाइम्स टेल मी हाउ entertaining this is, how real this is, how you like some facts about me doing daily vlogs and it gives me inspiration again. So मैं फिर से अपना कैमरा उठा के vlog करना स्टार्ट कर देती हूँ. It is one of those. I am actually really very inspired by few comments and few direct comments to me about vlogging, about my YouTube channel, and I am glad that you are liking it and I am glad that I am doing this. Saying that, आज Sunday है and फिर भी हमको काम है because guess what? We are our own boss now. Since we are boss lady and we are acting like one, this is cup of chai to fuel our mind and soul, and we gonna go and work ASAP. Although I'm thinking of buying a workplace or like going to some workplace to get work done, because घर पे यार वेरी सीरियसली वेरी सिंसियरली काम होता है नहीं. क्योंकि एक तो घर वालों को लगता है कि कोई काम होता ही नहीं है, बेसिकली करती ही नहीं हूँ मैं, होता ही नहीं है, और दूसरा मैं करती नहीं हूँ. सो कभी भी मन हो तब चलो घूमने चलते हैं, मन हो तब चलो ट्रेकिंग चलते हैं, मन हो तब आई एम लाइक नहीं, आई डू हैव सीरियस काम, आई डू हैव सीरियस मीटिंग्स. यू माइट नॉट अंडरस्टैंड इट, पर ये कॉन्वर्सेशन घर वालों के साथ छेड़ना इज लिटिल बिट risky since you have to live with them now. So anywho, आज का काम शुरू करते हैं. आज है फादर्स डे, बाय द वे. हैप्पी फादर्स डे टू एवरीबडी. फादर did not need to be the biological father, but जो भी कोई आपके पापा समान है उन सबको हैप्पी फादर्स डे. एंड इफ यू हैव दैट स्ट्रॉन्ग हैंड बिहाइंड यू, very happy Father's Day. More of about the Father's Day a little bit later. Till then, मैं थोड़ा सा काम करके आती हूँ. I'll see you very soon. Hi guys, this is almost an eternity later. As I told you guys, although it's a Sunday, it's not a rest day. Not even a minute of nap I had today. So I had this crazy brainstorming session with few people and we were brainstorming over an amazing idea. I hope I would be able to share it with you guys very soon. Although moving on, I have promised you that I'll be talking about Father's Day. Today is the Father's Day. Wish every one of you a very happy Father's Day. My dad always say this, we
वी बिलोंग फ्रॉम हिंदू सोसाइटी, सो हम लोग को फादर्स डे मदर्स डे मनाना जरूरी नहीं होता, क्योंकि हम हमारे अकॉर्डिंग टू जैसे हमारी बॉटअप होता है, जैसे हमको बड़ा किया जाता है, हमको ऐसे सिखाया जाता है कि माँ बाप भगवान समान होते हैं। तो हिंदू कल्चर में वी डोंट हैव स्पेशल डे टू सेलिब्रेट mother's love or father's love or love for that matter. We are taught to respect them, to love them throughout our life, throughout the days that we spend with them. But of course this is a Western cultural phenomenon, but it's fine. It's just if it's just another way to express your love in the one day towards your mother and father, then I don't think so it should have like a huge problem. I don't know, I'm sorry. So as promised in the morning, I could not vlog for the whole day, but as promised in the morning I'm gonna talk about the Father's Day ad that Whisper did, which has hashtag let's talk period. So that's the ad. It says 10 girls, 4 question, 1 revelation on Father's Day by Whisper. Is no matter how friendly we as a girl are with our father-like figure, we talk everything about our dreams, about the support that father provides, about almost everything in our life. But are you comfortable enough to talk about periods? I'm not talking about talk about your relationship or everything, but the question is very right. Do we talk about our periods to our father, to our parents? So I don't know, these girls, like the 10 girls that Whisper ad shows, they have problem talking about periods to their father, which is the common scenario. But in my case, I am lucky enough to have father like he is. I discuss almost everything. He asks me if I'm having huge cramps, or if I'm okay, or if I'm alright, or if I want hot water bag, if I want ice cream to eat. He brings me chocolate without fail every time I have my periods. Also, he does the same for my younger sister, and we are blessed child, I know. But let's normalize this conversation to not only to be with our father, but every man in the society should know this, because that's the origin of you and me and everyone. So instead of being shy about it, or instead of uncomfortable talking about it, we should not be uncomfortable talking about it, because that's a natural phenomenon, and you are blessed to have this. You and me are both blessed to have this. This is a main characteristic of womanhood, and we should celebrate it, being a woman. Although it's a Father's Day, we shall normalize the conversation about it. We shall make men in the society aware about what exactly this phenomenon is, and it's normal. It's completely normal. You have it, you celebrate it, have it, flaunt it. And not I'm saying for sympathy gaining or something like that, because people around me around us are like that. Don't do it, don't take advantage of it, but I would say be comfortable with it. Just be comfortable. It's you, it's what you own. You have power to recreate, and it's a huge, not everybody has it. So I like the fact that brand like Whisper talking about already some very crucial issue, women issue. They have made this ad celebrating Father's Day. I am extremely happy about the fact that brands are taking steps towards normalizing this thing. This is I won't say this is a woman liberation or woman feminism. No, this is none of that sort. But I just liking the fact that it is normalizing the thing, that this thing is normal, and talking about it with your father, with your brother, with the male in the society is also a normal thing. And saying that, kudos to the brand Whisper. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers, and congratulations to all female, all my girlfriends who are having their periods, who are on their periods. Have happy periods. I am not promoting any brand here, but I am just want to give a very huge shout out to Whisper. With that said, I should probably go and finish the rest of my work, which is almost a documentation. It's so much irritating, but what to do? You gotta do what you gotta do, right? So that's it for today. Today is the Sunday, 3rd of weekend of the June month. यार देखते देखते ये भी खत्म होते आया. Anyway, for now I shall go edit you up and upload you. I shall see you in the next vlog. I'll try as much as I can vlog, and I should come up with good content as well. Until then, you should like the channel, subscribe, and all good things, you know. So bye bye, we shall meet very soon.